Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or delete a Discord account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the U button in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then select the little gear icon up at the top right. Underneath account settings, select account. Underneath account management near the bottom of this page, select where it says disable account. And you can also delete the account, whatever your preference may be. And if you want to re-enable, you just could come back in and then enable the account. If you deleted it, unfortunately, it's been deleted. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.